Code 971 on an IRS transcript generates more confused client calls than almost any other code. Let me explain why and how to handle it. 971 is a notice issued code. It means the IRS sent your client a letter. That's it. It doesn't mean they owe money. It doesn't mean they're being audited. It means a notice was mailed. The reason it causes panic is that 971 often appears alongside code 570, which is an additional account action pending hold. When clients see their refund is frozen and a notice was sent, they assume the worst. Here's the professional move. Look at the date on the 971. Check what code follows it. If a 572 appears after the 570, the hold was released. If you see 971 with action code 065, that's a specific identity verification request. Context matters. One code alone never tells the full story. Tax Transcript AI reads the full sequence and tells you exactly what's happening. Free code lookup in the description.